Bosnia and Herzegovina and Republic of Srpska can learn and benefit a lot from China's modernization. Especially we can learn about unity of Chinese people and how this contributes to victory for China overcome poverty.
Key takeaways from this conference for me would be that we would probably benefit a lot as Bosnia and Herzegovina with a more intense collaboration with China and visiting China more and establishing more connections, and especially for our business companies to find new ways to promote our products in Chinese market.
We seriously have to think about it because China is a great country, big country, many opportunities for relationship, many opportunities for cooperation, especially economic. I think the Bosnia and Herzegovina and both entities of Bosnia and Herzegovina will use this opportunity.